Can I find out what makes Lake Louise so special in just one day? Deep in the heart of Banff National Park, Alberta, Canada, lies a gem so breathtakingly beautiful that it attracts millions of visitors every year. Lake Louise, with its turquoise waters surrounded by majestic mountains and lush forests, is a sight to behold. But there's more to Lake Louise than just its stunning scenery. Many people think Lake Louise is just another pretty lake, a place you visit, take a quick photo, and then move on. But that's far from the truth. Lake Louise has layers of wonder that make it so much more than just a beautiful spot. Its significance goes beyond its visual appeal, and I'm excited to share with you what truly sets it apart. So, what makes Lake Louise so special? Let's start with its unique color. The lake's turquoise hue is due to glacial flow, which is created when glaciers grind against rocks, producing fine particles that are then carried by meltwater into the lake. This natural phenomenon is a key part of what makes Lake Louise so breathtakingly beautiful. The lake has a rich history, too, with the Fairmont Chateau Lake Louise, a grand hotel built in the late 19th century, adding to its allure. And then there are the activities, from hiking and canoeing in the summer to ice skating in the winter. Lake Louise offers something for every interest and season. You can take a leisurely canoe ride across the lake, hike one of the many trails in the area, or simply sit back and enjoy the scenery. As the day progresses, the light changes, and the lake's color transforms with it. Imagine witnessing this natural spectacle unfold before your eyes. The lake's color can shift from a deep blue to a vibrant turquoise, all within a matter of hours. Visitors from all over the world come to experience Lake Louise's magic. Some find peace in its serene surroundings, while others are drawn to its adventurous spirit. Whether you're a photographer, an outdoor enthusiast, or simply someone looking to connect with nature, Lake Louise has a way of captivating your heart. In summary, Lake Louise's special status can be attributed to its geological wonders, rich history, and diverse recreational opportunities. It's a place where nature's beauty, history, and adventure come together, making it a must-visit destination for any traveler. What's your favorite aspect of Lake Louise? Let me know in the comments below. If you're as fascinated by stunning natural wonders as I am, be sure to subscribe for more videos like this one.